Yeah. So connections are the relationships with other sections. And that's our pages. How are we linking someone from our homepage to another page? So keep things simple and not easily breakable. Everything needs to be circular. They should be able to go from a homepage to another page back to the homepage. They need to play well together. So those are some of the key points. But Kim, is there anything else that needs to be talked about here as well?
I think being slow to put extras in your website until you go back to your treeing. Like if you've already done your website and you're listening to this as a refresher, just remember your treeing process will help you not have broken places. So think about that when you're adding anything in there, is just to go back to your tree when you get ready to make another level up.